was saying.
It was pretty sketchy what I was saying.
Did you hear my conversation?
No, dude.
I didn't hear what Leo was saying.
You couldn't hear a period, bro. You can't hear, dude. My ears are muffled.
You guys were speaking English, but it sounded like some foreign language.
Dude, hey, don't freak out. But I think we're in a word find right now.
Where the hell did you go up with that?
Dude, think about it. Like, most buildings make letters from the top view.
What do you mean? Yes, that's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Where are you going, Trent? Lane. Trent, drive straight.
And we're letters that keep scrambling. We're the letters. We're the letters, and we keep moving around, so the person can't figure out the words.
What?
You know exactly what I'm
Scrabble?
saying. You're not in high enough for
Scrabble?
this.
Dude, look at his fucking eyes, dude. Look at Cook. Look at Cook.
What's up, dude?
He's fucked.
Me?
No, him.
Oh, okay. Anyway.
God knows what I look like.
Yeah. I just got the shivers.
Did you?
Yeah, on my ass.
I just ate
That's
a
where
cinnamon.
cold air is.
Dude, I just ate a cinnamon thing, and now this tastes so fucked up.
Where's that cotton candy dropped, Holmes?
I'm out. I'm tempted. I want to go to Electric Fetus, but I don't want to spend any money.
I don't give a fuck. I sound like a black dude right now.
Why the fuck do you have your plate?
Do I not sound like a black dude right now?
No, you sound fucked up.
No, I don't. Dude, I think there's something in here still.
Stupid.
There's something in here still.
You hit it then. I'm
No.
I'm so high.
No, you're not. You can be higher, dude.
I gotta go home.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
An hour.
By 10.
By 10, dude. You know what time it is? It's like 7. Here.
I thought it was like 9 o'clock.
No, dude.
I thought we were going home.
You're sketching me out, bro. We're going to the mall. Take this right now.
What the fuck?
Take this right now or you're in deep trouble, mister. That's what I thought. Guess where I live. Hey. Guess where I live. Tyler. Guess where I live.
Up your ass?
I don't give a fuck Avenue.
What?
That's
From that little way.
Look, hit the fucking...
I don't give a fuck Avenue.
Hey, that's
Dude, this is gonna be crazy in the mall. You know that, right? It's gonna be like,
yeah, but listen to this. I don't give a fuck Avenue is on that word fine. Because those are all the letters that don't fit. I don't give a
that's
fuck.
what she said. Don't fit, dude. You don't fit, Nika. That means it's too small.
How do you spell that? N-I-K-A?
N-I-C-K.
Oh.
Nick, like the name Nick plus an A at the end. That makes that noise. Where are we going?
Yeah, where are we going, bro?
Seeing what's down here?
Dude, we are not going to Nightstone Road.
That's up here. Dude, did you see how big this fucking place is now?
Yeah?
Since they remodeled it?
Sketchy as fuck, dude. I was here when they were building it.
I know.
Dude, would that not be the most perfect spot to snipe someone from?
Right.
Up in like the top
Call of Duty
ramp,
right now. You
Dude,
know the level
I'm
arcade
thinking
in?
Battlefield.
You know the level arcade
I'm
in?
thinking Battlefield, dude.
Battlefield,
Battlefield 3 jet shit, dude. I'll be up in an F-22. F-22 is raping some bitches on the ground, dude.
There's a stop sign there.
Yeah,
You're a stop sign.
Kind of stopped way late.
Tyler, he's a stop sign. He's red and boring to look at.
Oh, fuck.
I'm doing most of the talking.
Cop.
Fucking A. I hate cops, dude. I'll put my seatbelt on now. That's sketching
I
me
don't
up.
have fucking insurance either.
Copster. Fucking A, keep talking!
Let's go to the mall, bro.
Yeah, mall skis it up. Mall skis it up, bro.
Hit it.
Who hit it? Yeah, dude, he's catched up now. I'm still high as fuck, bro.
You're driving like straight ass, bro.
Straight asshole. You getting ass whipping? No, you don't. Dude, this is sketchy. It's sketchy as fuck. Hurry up, because my mom's office is up here.
Yep, put it out.
She's not there, but still, they'll be like, I recognize the kid or something. Come on now. Drive like a normal person. Sober. What stinks like asshole? I swear I smell Smallies.
Let me take one hit of that.
Do I smell Smallies?
Because I don't want to light it. Unless if you want to split another one after that.